In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight assembly in this Volkswagen Beetle. Let's get into it. We're going to take this cover off underneath. Just use a pick or a screwdriver. There's a little slot right here. You can get underneath there. And just pry that out. And there's a wing nut in there. You want to take that wing nut out. Slide that out. Then you can try grabbing the light and just prying with your fingers and pulling it out. If that doesn't work too well, just get under here with some trim tools. Just pop from the bottom and it slides out this way. There is some clips there, so don't pry up over here. Now we're going to disconnect the connectors. Just push down on the tab. Slide it out. If you need to, you can use a small trim tool or a screwdriver. And just slide that right there and disconnect it. Just like that. You can take the bulb out by twisting the socket and it slides right out. And grab the bulb out of the socket, push it down a little bit, twist to the left, and that slides right out. This is a 1950 bulb. Take the bulb, we're going to line it up, twist it to the right, and it locks in place. Now on the back of the housing, take the socket, line it up, and just snap it in place. Now for the directional bulb, just grab the socket, twist it to the left, and that'll slide right out. Just like that. To pull the bulb out of the socket, just push down, twist to the left, and it comes right out. This bulb is a 1057L. Line it up in the socket, twist to the right. Now line it up in the housing and twist it to the right, lock it in place. Now line the connectors up, lock them in, just like that. Then we can slide this stud through the body of the vehicle and then make sure that these little tabs go on this side. Slide this side in first. That lined up. Just like that. And then push it in. Now put the wing nut in. Get that started. And just snug, not too tight. And take the cover. Line it up and click it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.